So, okay, good evening children. Yesterday asked me to explain example 10. Example 10 is prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. So, you know that already you learned previously about proving of root 2 is irrational, root 2 5 minus root 3 is irrational, like that models already learned. So, root 2 plus root 3 how to prove irrational. So, that is called, I already told you, contradiction method. By using contradiction method we can prove this type of sums. So, let us assume root 2 plus root 3 is rational. Root 2 plus root 3 is rational. So, we know that every rational number can be written as p by q form. So that's why I wrote here root 2 plus root 3 value equal to a by b. Here a and b are co-primes and b is not equal to 0. That is a condition to be a rational number. Then root 2 equal to a by b, send this plus root 3 to right side, then it becomes minus root 3. Okay, now square this equation. Squaring on both sides we get root 2 whole square is equal to a by b minus root 3 whole square. So root 2 whole square means square root cancel, 2 remains here. LHS in RHS is in the form of a minus b whole square or x minus y whole square. We know the expansion of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, or x minus y whole square means x square minus 2xy plus y square. So in the matter, in the identity of algebraic expression, if you expand a by b minus root 3 whole square, here a square means a by b whole square, minus 2ab means minus 2 into a into b, plus b square means root 3 whole square. Okay, now simplify the RHS. A by b whole square means a square by b square minus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 a by b plus root 3 whole square means 3. Okay, now bring this minus value minus 2 root 3 a by b to left side and send the plus 2 value from LHS to RHS. Then how it becomes 2 root 3 a by b is equal to a square plus b square plus 3 minus 2. So 2 root 3 a by b is equal to a square by b square plus 3 minus 2 1 plus 1. 1 means 1 by 1. Now first simplify the RHS. A square by b square plus 1 is equal to, here b square is the LCM. B square is the LCM. In b square goes on time, 1 into a square plus in b square 1 goes b square times 1 into b square. So a square plus b square is the RHS. So again from this remain only root 3 left side. So send other terms to right side. Then how it becomes a square plus b square by a square plus b square by b square is RHS. So bring this or send this 2 into a by b to right side. Then how it becomes 2 is 1 by 2 and a by b becomes b by a. So in this b and b cancel. So root 3 value how much? Root 3 value equal to a square plus b square by b into a into a. That means that implies root 2 is equal to a square plus b square by 2ab, b square by 2ab. Okay, but actually for all ab belongs to rational numbers, then a square plus b square by 2ab value also becomes is also irrational. But therefore root equal to rational. Is it true? Already you proved root is irrational. So but this contradicts the fact root 2 is irrational. So our assumption, what did you assume? Root 2 plus root 3 assumed as rational. That is false. Okay, so our assumption root 2 plus root 3 is rational is false. That's why then what is the root 2 plus root 3? Root 2 plus root 3 is false. Rational number false means it is a irrational. So in this way you have to prove the proof of root 2 plus root 3, root 3 plus root 5, such any values you can find out like this. Okay, once again I tell you, just carefully listen. So how to prove the root 2 plus root 3 is irrational? So such a problems, already I told you so many, five problems are there, 5 examples there in this exercise from real numbers chapter. So it is very very important 4 marks sum. Then how to prove root 2 plus root 3 is irrational? So contradiction method, by using contradiction method you can prove it. Okay, let us assume root 2 plus root 3 is rational. If you assume root 2 plus root 3 is rational, then every rational number can be written as p by q form. That's why we have written here root 2 plus root 3 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-primes and b not equal to 0. So simplifying this, send one in one of, you can transfer 2 also, no problem. Then you get 3 root 3 value rational, then root 3 also rational. Okay, like that also you can prove. Now send root 2, keep remain root 2 value left side and send the root 3 value right side. Then how it becomes? Root 2 is equal to a by b minus root 3. So squaring on both sides, you get 2 root 3 2 root 3 a by b equal to how much you get? A square plus b square by b square. So keep only, remain only root 3 value left side, then send the other 2 values 2 into a by b right side. Then it becomes root 3 equal to a square plus b square by b square into a, b by a into 1 by 2. So root 3 equal to how much you get? A square plus b square by 2 into a into b. 2 into a into b, 2ab. 2 equal to a square plus b square by 2ab. So for all values of ab belongs to rational numbers. If a and b are any rational number, then you get a square plus b square by 2ab value also rational. But then how did you get? Root 2 equal to rational. But this contradicts the fact. Actually root is irrational, already know that, already proved. So how did you get rational, irrational? How did you get this contradiction? Our assumption is wrong. Our assumption that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. That is false. So root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. That is the proof of this problem. Okay, understand, children?